What is up, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another video. Rush here. Today we're actually going to go ahead and check out the new 2019 Scat Pack wide body. This is the newest addition to the lineup here. So the wide body got trickled down from the Hellcat down to the Scat Pack now, and I was able to find a local one at one of the dealerships, so we're going to go check it out. I'm really excited to see it. I was a big fan of the Hellcat wide body when it came out, so the fact that they're offering it now at a cheaper price point is really awesome. And I see another Mopar there, so you know I got to get them. Got a Charger, looks like a Daytona. Yeah, I think it's a Daytona. Yeah, 5.7. You just have to mention that. But yeah, so I'm with Alex, by the way. Alex, what's up?
What's good?
And we're gonna go check out the wide body, see what's up. He really likes the wide body too. I don't think he's gonna go to a Scat Pack though. He wants the Hellcat wide body. But you know, I'm excited to see it. So hopefully they're not too expensive, you know, or marked up like crazy, which I don't think they should be. I mean, it's still a Scat Pack, but I've heard some people saying that they're in like the 60s, which is, to me, is ridiculous. Yeah, it's pretty much a Hellcat price at that point. So we'll see. We're gonna catch you guys as soon as we get into the dealership, and I hope they have the car there. Okay guys, so we're walking around right now. We're at Orange Coast Dodge. They're pulling up the 2019 Hellcat for us. They didn't have the wide body yet. It's on order. It's coming in. But we asked them to pull it in a Destroyer gray because I wanted to go ahead and park my Challenger next to it and check it out. You know, SRT versus the Hellcat for 2019. Show you guys the differences. Primarily, we're just looking at that new hood that they have. That's going to be exciting and seeing kind of what the options are for 2019. So these guys are pretty cool, really chill. You know, they've been working with us, showing us the cars, giving us a little bit of their time, so we totally appreciate it. Thank you, Orange Coast Dodge. Alrighty guys, so here's side boo next to the 2019 Hellcat with the new hood. And honestly, the hood looks even better in person, guys. It is a very aggressive looking hood. And as you can see there, I mean, that's kind of a little bit of how the old Hellcat hood looked without the, you know, side vents, but the new one is just very different. No other manufacturer has something like this on the market, which is really cool. And this color, it just I want it so bad. So they come with an intake now.
Yeah.
That's a beefy intake. It's a pretty big intake.
Because when I got mine, it had nothing.
Yeah,
it had that SRT.
So that's what a fresh Hellcat engine is. I wonder how many miles are on this thing.
Bro, I miss taking off that blue wrap.
Wait, so how does the hood work? Oh, okay, look. So it's directing, it pulls them both through both ducts and it directs it down into the intake.
That's actually pretty cool.
You see that?
Yeah.
So this one is routed. Wait, imagine it's not functional.
Nah, it has to be.
Okay, I think one of them is. I don't know if the other one is. Okay guys, so I'm not sure if this is the case, but I feel like one of the nostrils is not, you know, active, because if you look at the bottom of the hood, and I could be wrong, but that nostril just kind of leads down into there, right? It just pulls like that. There's nothing there. This one pulls maybe to the side and brings it down to the intake.
It might be.
It might be non-functional. I think it's just one.
You can't really tell. Because if you look from the side with the sun, you can kind of see like...
Well, this one you can see for real.
Yeah.
Look. But that one, it's like, I don't know. I don't think it is.
My question is, why would it be like... I just feel like put my hand in it. No, I think it does. It goes through right here.
Think so?
Yeah.
Maybe. I hope so. That would be really bad.
One way to find out.
Yeah.
Open it up.
Oh, the track hawk is going out. Thing sounds good. Holy. That is awesome. It sounds good.
Yeah.
That sounds good. So they didn't have a wide body, but at least we got to see the hood. We're gonna go ahead and kind of explore a little more, see what if we can get the
that was the
Scat. Yeah, we just that was pretty much the only change really on the regular Hellcat for 2019 is that
they went back to
the hood and then the rims. Oh god, that sounds good. That track hawk.
I do want to see the U-Connect. Maybe the U-Connect's a little bit different, but I don't know.
But it's locked, so we won't be able to see it. The car's in ship mode right now is what the salesperson told us, because they just literally got it. so they haven't been able to you know, get it done just yet. So once they do, maybe we'll be back and try it out. But I really don't think it's going to be all that different from the you know, the 18. But I really do like the rear wing. It looks really good. So the difference between the two, that wing looks good.
I do like the spoiler.
Yeah, the spoiler is a nice little touch. Obviously the Hellcat comes with the black, well, this one's like a gloss black tip. And here's the Hellcat wheels there. Sweet ride. Definitely needs some tint though. It needs some tint right away.
15. I know you want 5%.
I would do 5% on it. I like the look of it. So maybe soon enough we'll have that side boot plate on that car. But you know what's funny? If you look at it from the back, it doesn't say anything about it being a Hellcat.
No.
There's nothing. Like there's no anything.
Well, the only way you can tell is by the tips. The tips are always black.
The tips and then the wing.
The exhaust.
Yeah, so this is kind of like the...
This is different.
I'm telling you, the tips are gloss black.
Yeah, instead of a matte.
Instead of a matte, yeah.
Wow.
But look how much longer that wing is.
I like it though.
No, it looks great.
Look how amazed we are by like a hood and a spoiler.
And a spoiler.
We're like, wow, we gotta get this car.
But this, that was kind of my favorite thing that I've seen on it so far.
I do want to switch mine.
Yeah,
to
it
like
looks...
an all black.
Are you up edging? No, just kidding. Yeah, no, this is really cool. It's nice. The cat roaring. Kitty. Let's take a look here. The interior. Oh, that new car smell, guys. It smells so good in here.
That could be different.
It smells so damn good.
This right here?
What?
I don't know if all 18s came with red, because mine came with red. I don't know if it comes with the color of the car, maybe.
No, I think it's color of the car. The same. The MSRP on this car is $73,000, $400.
Right when I was about to talk. Alright, anyways, so we just left the dealership and basically we saw... Okay, it's a red light. So basically, everything we saw new on the new 2019 Hellcat, they didn't have the Scat Pack. So we saw a 2019 Hellcat and everything new with it was the hood, the spoiler, and the badge. And it's even more pricey now. They're 73, right? It was 73,000. Like, I spent 71, had everything on it. And
Yours were fully loaded?
Yeah, because Hellcats came fully loaded. They came with the speakers, everything. The only thing
had the speakers? I'm not sure.
Yeah, it had this. I think it had the speakers. And if it didn't, then it would be almost 75. So it was an almost fully loaded Hellcat for 73,000. And now we're gonna go to Huntington Beach to check out the next dealership.
Yeah, we're gonna go check out because we didn't get to see the wide body, and that was the whole point. I mean, we saw the hood, that was cool, the wing, but what I'm interested in is seeing that wide body.
Scat Pack, yeah.
All right, let's go. So we're over here getting tacos at the spot called Holy Moly. Guacamole, bro.
Yeah.
Let's go. So what'd you get?
Carne asada tacos and horchata.
Looks pretty good. But I'm all about fish and shrimp. And this is what I ended up getting. I don't know, yours look tiny, bro. These are massive. Smell so good. Woo. All right, guys, we're gonna dig in. We'll catch you guys after. Peace. Alrighty, guys, so we are at Huntington Beach Dodge right now. They're supposed to have one of the new Scat Packs. I can't seem to find it. The salesman doesn't know where it is. We have a new Ram behind us. 2019 or 2018? 2019. 2019 Rams. They look pretty good. But we're looking for the Scat Pack wide body. Can't seem to find it. They have a regular wide body. And that's kind of sitting over there. I'll show it to you guys.
So we came across these two new 2019 Hellcats. Now tell me what's new about these things.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Alrighty, guys, so you saw what the new Challengers got. And I don't know why Dodge was all like to the
Charger.
the Charger owners. I'm just kidding. All right, guys. So we checked out the Challengers for 2019, and this is what the Chargers get for 2019. They get this new updated grille here.
But on one side.
That's about it.
On both
right?
sides.
Yeah.
That's about it.
That's all they got.
Gonna go around the whole car. No new hood.
Everything else stays
Same badge.
Same.
Names are the same.
Interior is still the same. I
And
do like the new wheels though. That new color I really like.
yeah, actually I think it was an option on 2018.
But like now they're putting on a lot of them.
Yeah. And there's two of them already. And over here we got, oh, this is the RT with the SRT hood now.
Oh my god, this is pretty sick.
Ooh. Look at this, Rush's car.
They did me dirty, guys. A lot of you were like, oh my god, they only gave him the hood. No, guys, they gave him everything. They gave him everything. They gave him the whole front bumper. They gave them the front lip, you know, the bumpers changed out, the hood. So if I park my car next to this, it'll probably be very, very identical.
I like this.
But as I'm walking around here checking this out, I saw this truck, which is actually pretty neat. I like the color combination on the interior. I'll show it to you guys. So it's got like a, let's make sure it doesn't hit there. It's got, I'm not sure what the color is that you would call this, but it's very spacious. And it has like a two-tone going on, which it looks really good. And this like red. I'm not much of a truck guy, but I have all that extra storage. Show you the front seat here. It doesn't have like the big screen, but I mean this is pretty big as it is. A lot of space in these trucks. Perfect for like road trips, working out of it. I'm sure it was good as well. And there's that new front end. Very aggressive looking front end. Looks pretty good compared to the old ones. Let's see if we have an old one somewhere. I am not sure.
$71,000.
$71,000.
Cheaper than the Challenger.
Alrighty guys, that was a weird experience. The dealership has the wide body scat pack. They just don't know where it is, which is really weird to me. I mean, how do you not know where one of your cars is? But they were like really confused. They like told us they were gonna go get it and it should be here in 10 to 15 minutes. And then it needed a little more time. And all of a sudden got lost again. So it's been like an hour. I'm kind of over it. So I guess we'll just have to wait till things clear up a little bit and there's more of these cars around. Because right now it's really hard to find them. So yeah, that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you leave a like on it. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. My name is Rush and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.